What you doing? What you doing? A brrrr. A brrrr. A brrrr. A brrrr. Ding dong. What you doing?
She's so intent, you know?
Yeah.
Like just staring and...
Oh, there we go. There you go. Yeah, dig your legs up. I dig your legs up. I see your legs.
I have these little shoes that I bought for her that have bells on them.
Oh.
They're like from, like, you know, those little developmental stores, but she'll... And, like, you kick to hear them play. It helps them figure out where their feet are. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. I can kind of tell just kind of what her personality is going to be like, you know? Like, she's just going to be a mellow, chilled, just...
Almost.
Yeah. There we go.